In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of your Wix website. This process is essential for safeguarding your site's content and ensuring you can restore it to a previous version if needed. So, let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, we need to head over to the Wix website. Open your preferred browser and type in wix.com. Once there, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already, just click on the Login button and enter your credentials. This will take you to your Wix dashboard, the command center of your website creation journey. It's important to note that having regular backups keeps your content safe from accidental deletions or other unforeseen issues. Once you're on the Wix dashboard, scroll down to locate the CMS option. This option allows you to manage your site's content efficiently. Clicking on it will open up the content management system where all your site's content is stored. CMS is an invaluable tool for anyone serious about digital content management, giving you complete control over what appears on your site. Now, within the CMS tab, you'll notice a button at the top labeled More Actions. Go ahead and click on it. This button is crucial as it provides additional options and functionalities related to your site's data management. More Actions serves as the gateway to backing up and restoring your content, which are fundamental processes in site maintenance. After that, you'll see an option named Backups. This is where you can view any existing backups of your site. Click on this option to continue. Backups are basically snapshots of your site at different points in time, saving both your content and configurations. It's reassuring to know that your hard work is secure and can be recovered in case anything goes wrong. The final step is to create a new backup. Within the Backups section, there will be a button labeled Create a Backup. Click on it to initiate a new backup of your website. Wix will prompt you to confirm this action. It's always a good idea to make sure you're backing up the correct site, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once confirmed, Wix will take care of the rest, preserving your website's current state for future use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to back up your Wix website. By following these steps, you've taken a crucial step in managing your online presence efficiently. Regularly backing up your website ensures that you won't lose valuable content and configurations, providing peace of mind in your digital endeavors. Remember, keeping your data secure is fundamental, and now you know